Hello, friends. When you are running an e commerce store, you have a regular requirement to update the product details, pricing, stock, and all such details that is always variable. Like this is a screen showing multiple products. Of course, we are talking about the WordPress websites and WooCommerce website on this channel. So this is a interface of WooCommerce products and this is an WooCommerce setup. So it is showing multiple products, and of course, we need to update the pricing, is the stock, and also details that may be variable, and that may require a change time to time. But by default, when you are editing the products at WooCommerce, you need to click on Edit, and you need to update the details like variable prices or the static prices depending upon how you are selling. Like this is a product variable product, so we need to change the variables, I mean price and variable size and the regular price and the stock, and even SKU can be changed or the description may be changed. So it is a bit lengthy process when you are editing multiple products every day or more frequently. So it is a tedious task, and yeah, it is irritating as well. So when you are handling multiple products, like this is a store showing 72 products and it has variable products as well. So what can be the solution through which we can edit the products in a single screen, in a single window? So this is what we are going to discuss in this video, and I have a very wonderful solution for you. So I'll show you another screen, manage with a smart manager. So we are going to discuss the smart manager for WooCommerce in this video. So this is a screen where we can handle everything from a single screen, and it has very advanced features and functionalities for editing the WooCommerce products and all such details that you may need to edit from a single screen, single interface, and you can save and publish immediately, right? So the screen showing everything, the variables and all. But what can be the illustration of this screen? So look at this image. So I'll enlarge this image. So this is all in one editor. So like we have powerful search, the duplicate, we can create duplicates, like duplicate multiple records, or you can search the intelligent simple search to create complex filters using the advanced search, or the custom views can be here, the export options, the variable and the settings and the columns and the smart bulk edit option, the inline edit options, and all in one, right? So if we come back to this screen, so like if I want to change the product name, I just need to click here double and it is editable now. Similarly, I can change the SKU, the regular price or the sale price. And if even it is not updated here, I can update it from the here directly. I can manage the stock here. So you the stock management goes in line, and like the in stock or the out of stock details can be updated directly from this screen. Further, we have description uh, that we can directly change here, and so everything that is visible with the product details can be changed here from a single screen, like additional descriptions, the category, the product type, or the all the things. Further, we have options to uh, s- show the tasks and all. So what is going to be changed or what is pending, like we can decide the columns actually we want to see on the screen, like what is enabled and what is disabled, you can decide. So what is regularly required to edit or you want to see on the screen, you can enable and disable the thing. So this is very important when you are having a grid view and the grid is showing multiple data. So it cannot be like a cluttered thing. So you can decide actually what you want to see on the screen that you are editing regularly. Similarly, we have option to show the variables, or we can even hide the variables. So like this is showing the variables, and if we want to show the variables in expanded format, so we can simply expand it here. So now expand variables are here. So under hoodie there are variables, like under hoodie we have the color blue and the logo is no, and whatever variable may be applicable for your store, right? Further, we once we complete our edit, we can simply go for saving, and the custom views options are also here. So we can create custom views, how we want to check the, like, create a custom view to save selected columns from a dashboard, use it for saved searches and all. Similarly, we have option to export in CSV format, like selected records or visible columns, stock columns or visible columns. So we can export the entire store details, and the advanced search module is really very helpful if we are willing to search things smartly, like the ID or the enter value. So this you need to make a simple practice, and you can go for editing all your products, all its variables in from a single screen. And this is a very effective tool. So in fact, I got a question, how, which is the best plugin, which is the best solution that I can use for my WooCommerce store. So on our iCreate program, you might be knowing about the program if you are a regular visitor of this channel. So iCreate program offers direct chat with WordPress mentors, where you can ask questions and you can get direct replies. So you are also welcome to ask any question related to WordPress website. You can follow the video description link of WP Themes website, and you'll be able to find the link of iCreate program, and it is free. So don't worry, you can ask any question as many as times you may need. Right. So the thing is, when we are getting questions at our live chat, I used to bring the solution for the maximum number of users, the maximum number of websites, WordPress website, of course, to help, and as a common solution, so that it may be applicable to all functionalities or all required set of things for WordPress website. So this can be a very good solution. So this is a smart manager. So what exactly you can do with the smart manager? A smart manager is for WooCommerce and WordPress is a WooCommerce advanced bulk edit tool. So you can manage products, order, post, coupons, event subscriptions, and WordPress post types in Excel sheet, like editor. So you are working on a Excel sheet. So sheet editor, table editor formats, the quick inline edits, and the WordPress bulk edit options, bulk stock managements, order management, delete and duplicate options are here, schedule bulk edits, save and reused bulk edits action, the save searches, the undo bulk edits, and the import export tools, automated order export, and even you can schedule the edits. So this tool can give you all those things that may help you editing your WooCommerce store products regularly in a very smart way. And here how you can get started, so you can get 10x better than great value of money, that is fine. So if we talk about the pricing, so it is bit costly, but yes, it is going to save much of your time, and you can consider taking this solution. However, I'm showing multiple solutions on this channel, so you can explore other solutions as well. So just go to the WP Themes website. I'm going to add link in the video description, and you are surfing the website, I believe. So there are many solutions for your WooCommerce store. This is also one of the good solution for editing bulk, uh, editing the products and the even the posts in bulk, and you can find alternative solutions as well on the channel itself. So just compare the things, whatever is good for you, and just let us know which one is very suitable for your store, for your WordPress website. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.